All right, let's get a check on the crypto market now. We see Bitcoin failed to surpass the 37,500 level resistance. That's holding up to be quite a tough resistance, and we see it's blood red in the markets right now. Talking about Coin 360 showing us a color right here in the market, but surprisingly, we're still seeing Solana driving deeper into green territory there. $58 up about 6.21%, but we're seeing a big pullback with Bitcoin, even though we got that CPI data from the US yesterday showing that US inflation came out lower than expected. Markets in the US, they jumped, but Bitcoin didn't react positively to that. Ethereum also lost the $2,000 level, down 3.8%. Let's look at the sentiment right now in the market. Is this still a greedy market? Yes, even though we have a pullback, it's still a greedy market at 60 points, but a pullback compared to about 70 points we've been at for a while now. Let's look at the top cryptocurrencies we track. We see Bitcoin there, 8 a.m. this morning, $35,000, holding on to that 600 level. And we see XRP going a different direction there. XRP holding up at 63 cents, up 4.97%. We also see Ethereum, and we see BNB, the native coin for Binance Exchange, that's up 1.09% this morning. So it's a mixed picture for some of the altcoins that we track in this market. Let's bring in Solomon Amunde now, financial market analyst. Hello, Solomon. Good morning.
Good morning, Ladi. Good morning.
Yeah, so Solomon, yesterday we got that CPI data for October, beating expectations. U.S. markets jumped, but Bitcoin didn't. Why?
So basically, Bitcoin has been on a very crazy rally from above $31,000 to almost $38,000. But obviously, investors were actually waiting to see the results of the CPI. So most of them took profits off the market because they were not sure what the CPI results would be. And they knew obviously that if it was negative, it would mean that Bitcoin would dump drastically because we've already had a very crazy run. But hopefully the good part is Bitcoin did dump. We saw that healthy correction and we bounced off the 1 week support line.
And let's look at other matters now in the market. Definitely, we had that NFT metaverse craze. That was in, I think, 2021 into 2022. Well, now we see Disney is launching an NFT platform with, I think, Dapper Labs. Tell us more about this, and what blockchain are they gonna build this on?
Yeah, so Disney is actually working on tokenizing some of their cartoon characters, their iconic cartoon characters from the past century. And they're also creating an NFT marketplace, which they dubbed or they referred to as the Disney Pinnacle. So basically, this project is being created by Dapper Labs, and Dapper Labs are also the ones that built the Flow blockchain. So the project will be deployed on the layer 1 blockchain referred to as Flow.
Right. And should we expect some kind of NFT hype soon?
Yeah, so basically, I feel short term, we wouldn't see the NFT hypes, but behind the scene, there have been lots of developments happening and utilization of the whole NFT. So I expect to see an NFT rally come 2024/2025, because now we are moving on to utility NFTs, and we have better use cases for these NFTs, such as ticketing and a whole lot too. So also the creator economy, talking of SocialFi, would see lots of NFTs being used there. So I expect us to have an NFT bull run come 2025.
Yeah, but it's quite incredible how some of those NFTs that sold for incredible amounts, in 2022 and 2021, they're selling for almost next to nothing at this time. But let's look at other data now. On-chain analysis shows us that the number of wallets holding $1 million in Bitcoin tripled in the last 11 months. What does this say about the state of the market?
I would say it actually means that 2023 presented investors with a very, very good opportunity to buy in Bitcoin at very, very low price. And it shows that most of the market has actually recovered from what it was dealt in 2022. So like we can see currently, Bitcoin has done 100% profit this year. So it's only fair to say most of those accounts were sitting around 500K, 600K Bitcoin, and now they have gone above $1 million. So these are actually good signs, ushering us into the bull run that we're expecting to happen fourth quarter of 2024. So I would say it's a good sign actually for Bitcoin. It's a good sign, and it shows that most persons are also holding.
And I'm wondering, even though most investors get a bull market, in this market, We know that sad story when the market takes all the profit back. How do you not give the market back the profit that you've made in this market?
Well, that takes lots of experience and consistency, and you need to stay glued to the market. But the crazy fact there is that most of Bitcoin maximalists, they are long-term players. So the DCA, they accumulate within a very long period of time, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years, they accumulate in Bitcoin. Whereas the short-term traders and also investors, they tend to swing out of good positions. So it all depends on your strategy. But if you don't want to give back to the market, then you need to have a good trading plan where you can be able to DCA out of the market and secure your profits. That's like the easiest way.
Right. Thank you so much, Solomon Amunde. Always great having your perspective. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Larry. Thank you.
So there you have it. It's still a greedy market, talking about the cryptocurrency market, but we're seeing a big pullback with Bitcoin. We're watching out and tracking how the market plays out. But the NGX still quite bullish right now. That's a wrap on the program. Don't forget to join us at 1:30 on Business Incorporated for more updates and developments in the world of business. Also visit www.channelcv.com for more updates. Thank you again for watching. I'm Ladi Williams. Have a profitable day.